welcome to Channel Myra. How are you all? So today I'm going to be sharing you about TOYRUS. Okay, let's begin. So they sell Uno, they sell these, and now it's the Christmas season. There are some Merlions and some Pop Mart toys. Cool. Alright, so in this pop cubes, now let's go ahead. There's some Lego sculptures. So 30,647 bricks, 47 kg, 120 hours. This is so beautiful. Don't spoil it or else you're arrested. Now look at this one. It's a Lego too, see? Toys are joys. Now I'll show you this kitty cat. Oh, is this a bow? Okay, let's see. Where is that thing again? Oh, it's here. 11,004 bricks, 71 kg in 80 hours. Okay, you know what? 71 kg is more. Does it ever feel like 71 kg? Look at the back. Wow. Look at here. What is this for? Hey, look at this. This is made of Lego bricks. This, you can't go really inside, so 78,496 bricks, 280 kg, 480 hours. Yo, this is like a realistic car. How are you tall in Lego bricks? Alright, let's see. How tall am I in Lego bricks? Let's stand here. Maybe 140 plus. Maybe I was around kind of here. Blue is my favorite color. I think I was at blue. These characters well here. I love cinnamon roll. I also love these. So these are this Lego friends. Hello? Yeah, good. Okay, and 36,703 bricks, 60 kg, 165 hours. Good. Nice masterpiece. I'll take you a 360-degree view. All right, let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. From Lego. This is also from Lego. You serious? Okay, let's go ahead. They sell some toys, Squish Attack, and there's some Lego toys too. So there's just too much Lego in this store. And some of this got people who love to buy these Mighty Jacks. Ew. I don't really see it. Okay. And then there is some, what do you call it? Yes, there's some Nintendo Switch. So these are Nintendo Switch games all in. Look at this. Some of the Hot Wheel fans. Look at this. You can touch it and play, but kind of dirty. So I'd rather not play with it. Iron Man. Wanna buy this? It's kind of cool actually. It's like this versus this blue guy. There's so much of Shaper merge. Statues are around. It's gonna be super cool. This Transformer guy. Uno Barbie. Uno flip attack. Star Wars. Don't let R2 shoot short circuit. Flying feathers. Tumbling monkeys. Okay. Don't let the monkeys fall. Okay. This is cool. Now for the girls. There's some mini verse things. Oh my gosh. So cool. Like someone can choose this. Oh my god, someone has opened this. I'd rather not touch it. And that's not belonging there, but whatever. And here's some food. So first you unbox it, you make it, you set it, and you display it. Wow, really good. Look at this. Are you serious? Look. And Mama Duck surprise. Mama Duck really waddles. Can you hatch the rare golden duckling? Let's see. Choose it wisely. And here's a fur blitz. Okay, Alright. Look at this. Hello, may I give you this? No, thank you. Alright. Look at them, they're so cute. Look at this rabbit and these cutie pies. Alright. And there's a Porsche toy car. In this, I don't know where this came from. Alright, don't bother about that. Let's show the thing about Barbie. And here they sell Barbie dolls. Some make your pancake. Shivering and scented. It's a cool pancake. Wow. These are some warm plushies. Warm plushies. Those are warm plushies. Alright. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. This also is made from Lego. Guys, Lego. I don't know about it, but alright, I guess this is pretty. She's super slim.